Mame Mao Akwaba and founder Ghana SMTVGH so what frame Adwa searching.
And this is President Mama. It is appointment committee. It me appointee obi okita fake certificate without due diligence. Appointment committee to me appointee obaya a friend sansani okatechie expose ni se onye doctor yi Mahama Kevin Taylor edisa geya bro so ye doctor o US ti man appointment ina wode gay ko to NHIA board so ane doctors nato enkoye adwuma na Ghana Oman Ghana timi tena ho eye mistake say President Mama, I put it to you so appointees emu 95% certificates also investigative. 95% of your appointee certificates also the come kateche fifa. No kateche fifa investigating now. President Mama, say what me fear appointments. Efa oba where also a doctor, a friend who doctor. Edni ko to set an important board so senye nyankopon enedi or aguna de hia okatache fifa nyansanin adum yan or expose gay ya ankrofo fa chire ko university again so ko school America tro mo yesu sadi ne kura ntwam o book mu da ne sama kura school order Ghana Medical Council say oni omu records for records no be bien no so doctor. I put it to you, say, put that girl behind bars now. Nipa we brena Ghana wo mpane eku mo Ghana yenim. We are jokers. Oh my Ghana ye di agrom. NPP aban enye sadi we da. Aje NDC. Timi employ obedient to health committee kakraka we so NHIA board so board yes omu here expertise in medical field. So the guy is not just an expert but an expertise. And I'm modern koto so a pen when the doctor is not Rollins. Not knowing, say, want my investigating Ghana who send certificates a fake. Okate chief for the pay the records ebe expose Ghana nanu. And sana adwin eba mutimu say munkonko hwehwe mu hwe say certificate no eye papa na say enye papa. It took Okate chief for to save millions of Ghanaians. Emubeko owuo mu ebeko yare mu because of obia onye qualified, onye doctor, and also a doctor. I didn't go to such an important board and didn't go to so. And you got a chair free far. Hey, anything. President Mama. So the baby America say, I grow a yaba when he's home. O second coming, we na minim say, O banner who be painting, O banner say, in a different standard. But we have few home. They say nkwala na-ebu omaima o. Appointment committee na kofa fake doctor. Edne koto NHIA board so ama. Kate chief fifa kan ya mo fa chi ko hei. Ana wa be vote ku ge appointment him. President Mama, get away issue it shouldn't end here. I was a girl no, omo ni court near prosecute no. A serious profession. Medical field and yes more professional. And a Ghana your mind get wow. See a case NDC aban agro money swa. This is a clear example. Mukwama bemu na utimi kofa obia. Untimi investigating certificate. No due diligence. Mod na kwa to such a board so. And you got a chief free father Roma. Carry over that's about 4 years with fake certificate. So I put it to you, say our point is about 98% of them Almost certificates, I was here investigating. But the only investigative body I'm free. That is the only investigative body. Joe Mahama, president, for our appointees in our certificates, I come back at a free. Me investigating bound. I remember na obebu ni trokas ano, John. I remember na obebu ni sano. When now how was away? Pay attention to this. Pay attention to Crawford health. Pay attention to the economy. Pay attention to all sectors in the country as a president. Enya ne hia o. Enya ne hia o. Die hia o se say. Chama untumi. Yankwachi untumi. Yankwachi we. All because oh brother our mining field. It's a bubu pioneers now a prayer. Then your brother can get the chance to penetrate. My God is watching. Manon, listen.
Ene Ghana for modwene se Bawumia enyo bia obetumi win election. This is the biggest and the best performance by any sitting vice president in the history of Ghana. Let me give you an instance. Professor Mills, Ebrana Owoho, Nyamemfa ne currency as vice president no. Sebe say enye 6 March bi na beba na ye nim adwuma kra oye. We don't know what Professor Mills was doing. Some of us MPP actually have to come and educate NDC for say Professor Mills na ye we answer no say sa papa no oya de 1 or 2 bi eden Ghana. But this is what happened. At Mills ba first time no. Ebrana Rollins if you are now beba no. E fan so on Rollins na na wo nti no. That factor na ye den ekutiano. And it is so in every presidential elections. Se oka team no ho a here usually no ya na ohun hin kakra. Uti ya na ohun hin kakra. But se on me ho a you can now come in as a neutral. So Charlie say me say na me person me say na me person me. Enu hunti Dr. Bawumia was not only just say the vice president to be not to hope. This man was fighting for the first time in his own party a candidate that was not an Akan. That's one factor. Me Chiremu said Dr. Bawumia really worked. Mami you winning free so. Dr. Bawumia really worked. Memo be another outside Dr. Bawumia didn't work. Because the max ya unya no see the compare one ya baby twemu na papa no ya de pa looking at the things na ekutia no already. Yeah, started 2020 and started Bawulaya. Odi Akufo-Addo bana de Bawumia. So that is one factor he had. Now, I was talking about Onwankasani party. For the first time, he was the non-Akan candidate here. For the first time, yeah, man opportunity say ondi enim. Enti sebio asomo fancheme. Yena kanfo ni bia. Your orientation and shedanye opened. And I say your civilization and shedanye that broad, no. Your one crophobia or monomada so genocide, Benina Memani made him so, and Crenini made him so, Tenny made him so. You are come for motors, and you want tough for, and your walk, your friend is saying, a before, and your walk robot for your walk other track, for almost someone pese, I can't need bedin so, a natural thing, Sani a tear, Sani Namebo. Sa antina first no ye we ku na kamu die ni na bebom but niam bi wo we be pene we be pene sa na tie. That is how God made it. Okay, so Dr. Mahmoud Bawu